If you're trying to find the best budget computerized quilting sewing machine, you're probably overwhelmed right now. Too many options, too many features, and honestly, a lot of machines that look the same on paper. But here's the thing, not all of them perform the same when you actually sit down and sew. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best budget-friendly quilting sewing machines, starting from the most basic and working all the way up to a seriously powerful feature-packed model. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your budget, your skill level, and your quilting goals. Let's start from number 7. Number 7, Brother XR 3774. All right, kicking things off with the most budget-friendly option on this list, and this one is perfect if you're just getting started. The Brother XR 3774 is not computerized, and honestly, that's part of its charm. It keeps things simple. You get 37 built-in stitches, a one-step buttonhole, and all the basic quilting accessories like a wide table and walking foot. Now, what I really like here is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to mess with screens or menus, just turn the dial and start sewing. If you've never touched a sewing machine before, this is one of the easiest ways to get into quilting. It can handle light to moderate quilting projects just fine, and even some thicker layers if you use the right needle and thread. But let's be real, this is not a heavy-duty machine. It's not built for large quilts or long hours of continuous sewing. Also, the feed dogs don't drop, so free motion quilting is a bit more manual. Still, for the price, this is a fantastic entry point. Number 6, Brother CP100X. Now stepping into computerized territory, the Brother CP100X. This one feels like a proper upgrade. You get 100 built-in stitches, a metal frame, and a much smoother overall sewing experience. What really stands out here is how balanced it is. It's still beginner-friendly, but it also gives you room to grow. The controls are simple, the LCD is clear, and the machine runs quietly, which is something you'll appreciate during long quilting sessions. It also handles a wide range of fabrics really well. Denim, quilts, stretch fabrics, no major issues here. The feed system is strong and consistent. And for quilters, the included wide table and quilting feet are a big plus. Now, it's not perfect. The bobbin winding can be a bit inconsistent, and some people feel it's slightly pricey compared to basic models. But overall, this is one of those machines that just works no drama, no frustration. Number 5, Brother XR955. Oh, next up, the Brother XR955. Oh, and this one is all about ease. If you want a machine that you can sit down and start using without a learning curve, this is it. You're getting 165 built-in stitches, including alphanumeric options, which means you can actually personalize your quilting projects with lettering. The stitch quality is impressive too, especially straight and zigzag stitches. It handles different fabrics smoothly, even lighter ones like chiffon. What makes this machine stand out is how simple everything feels. The LCD guides you, the settings adjust automatically, and switching between stitches is quick. But there's a catch. Buttonholes are not its strong point. They can be a bit inconsistent, especially on delicate fabrics, and the bobbin winding isn't the cleanest. Still, for quilting and everyday sewing, this machine delivers way more than you'd expect at this price. Number 4, Brother CS7000X. Now this one is a favorite for quilters on a budget, the Brother CS7000X. What makes it stand out immediately is the larger workspace. That extra needle-to-arm space makes a big difference when you're working on quilts. It also has a metal frame, which gives it better stability and cleaner stitching compared to cheaper plastic-heavy models. Performance-wise, it's solid. It handles thick layers, quilting sandwiches, and even denim without struggling. The stitches are clean, especially for basic sewing tasks. And the lighting? Honestly, one of the best in this price range. Bright, wide coverage, no annoying shadows. The downside? The screen isn't backlit, and buttonholes? Yeah, still not great. That's kind of a theme with these brother machines at this level. But if quilting is your main focus, this machine is a very strong contender. Number 3, Brother HC1850. Now we're getting into more feature-rich territory. The The Brother HC1850 comes with 185 built-in stitches, including decorative and alphanumeric options. So if you like adding creative touches to your quilts, this machine gives you a lot to play with. But what really makes it stand out is how easy it is to use. The display is bright, the controls are simple, and selecting stitches is quick and intuitive. Even if you've never used a computerized machine before, you'll feel comfortable pretty fast. Performance is strong across the board. It handles silk, denim, quilt layers, all without much adjustment. And that's a big deal. Now, the main weakness here is buttonholes again. They tend to start a bit messy, especially if you're using contrasting thread. But outside of that, this is one of the best all-around machines for home sewing and quilting. Number 2, Brother CS 6000i. This one is a classic, the Brother CS 6000i. If you've done any research, you've definitely seen this machine pop up everywhere. And there's a reason for that. This is one of the easiest computerized sewing machines to use. Period. Everything is clearly labeled, the lighting is excellent, and the LCD even tells you which presser foot to use. That's incredibly helpful for beginners. You get 60 built-in stitches, solid stitch quality, and a wide table for quilting, all at a very affordable price. Now, it's not perfect. Zipper work can be tricky, and it doesn't have an automatic thread cutter. But for beginners or budget-conscious buyers, this machine is hard to beat. It's reliable, simple, and gets the job done without frustration. Number 1, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. And finally, at number 1, the most powerful machine on this list, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This thing is packed. We're talking 600 built-in stitches, automatic thread cutter, speed control, lettering, and a huge range of customization options. If you're into quilting, this machine gives you creative freedom that most budget machines simply don't. Performance-wise, it's impressive. It handles thick layers like denim with ease, does an excellent job with blind hems, and even nail zipper installation, which a lot of machines struggle with. But here's the honest part. This is not a beginner machine. There's a learning curve. The controls take time to get used to, and some features can feel overwhelming at first. Also, the throat space could be bigger for serious quilting, but once you get comfortable with it, this machine can do almost anything. If you want the most features and the most flexibility without jumping into high-end pricing, this is the one. So here's the quick takeaway. Just starting out? Go for the XR3774 or CS6000i. Want a balance of features and ease? XR9550 or CP100X. Focused on quilting? CS7000X or HC1850. Want maximum power and features? 9960 all the way. If you found this helpful, check the links in the description for the latest prices. And if you're still unsure which one to pick, drop a comment. I'll help you choose the right one for your needs. See you in the next video.